Can you say something to me? Can you say mama or dada or nana? Get down, get down. No, no, no. You can play with that. Well, that was not the idea. That was not the idea. Get down. You got to sit right. Mommy will be mad at you. Sit. Sit down. Okay, I'm going to put you down then. If you don't sit right. What is that? Is that Nana's purse? Hmm? What are you doing with it? We've been learning fish, and he's making the hissing sound. You making the hissing sound for fish? Hmm? I'm coming to get you. Here I am. Here I am. I'm coming to get you. Yes, you are. Are you making a funny face for me? Are you making a funny face for me? Are you making a Are you coming to get me? Are you coming to get me? What are you doing? What's my boy doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?